Hey, what's going on everybody? Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for checking in. Today we're showing you the Yamaha top end rebuild kits. We have these for 2 strokes and your 4 strokes, and these are going to be perfect for the rider that needs to rebuild your top end and you want to stick to OEM components. If that's what you want to do, what's nice about these kits is that they will come with everything that you need to rebuild your entire top end. So you don't have to go to the OEM diagrams and try and piece together all the parts and components that you're going to need. We've done that work for you. So all you have to do is just go to our homepage, or you can just type into the search bar, Yamaha top end rebuild kit, enter the year, make, and model of the bike you're shopping for, and then these will pull up. So it's very easy to find these, and then like I said, it's just going to take the guesswork out. It will come with everything that you need, whether it's a 2-stroke or a 4-stroke. If you've never rebuilt the top end on your dirt bike before, if you want to save yourself a lot of money and just get some good knowledge, watch our how-to videos. They're very detailed. We go through step-by-step how to do it. We tell you all the tools that are needed. We show you all the parts, and it's a job that as long as you have the correct tools that really anybody can do from their own garage. So expand your knowledge, learn how to do it from home. That being said, a couple things I do want to point out. So when you buy these kits, I'm going to reiterate it, everything that you need from your piston ring, all your gaskets, all your seals, it's going to all be there for you. However, 2 strokes, here's something that you do want to know. When it comes to the Yamaha 2 strokes, you'll notice that your cylinder on your bike right now, or if you ordered a new cylinder, there's going to be a letter on the side of it. Now that letter also correlates to the piston that you're going to want. So when you're ordering this top end kit for a Yamaha 2-stroke, you'll notice in the drop down menu that there's going to be multiple pistons to choose from. In most cases, just look at your cylinder and then buy the piston that matches your cylinder. However, just to be on the safe side, because there's very tight tolerances for your piston and your cylinder, you do always want to measure your cylinder. Now in your service manual, it will give specifications and those tolerances so you know exactly what piston you are going to need to order. Now like I said, in most cases, you're going to be just fine ordering the piston that matches your cylinder, but just to be sure, measure your cylinder. And that way there is no doubt when it comes to knowing what piston you are going to need. Now, having the correct tools for that job is very important. You're either going to want a bore gauge or a snap gauge to take that measurement of your cylinder. Again, if you watch our how-to video, we show you how that process is done. As long as you have the right tools, should not be an issue. But when you look at the piston, just something to keep in mind too is the side of your cylinder is going to have a letter. However, if you look, say at the OEM diagrams, they actually will have colors on there. For example, a piston with a C on it is going to be a green piston. But if you look at the diagram, or if you look at the drop down your service manual, it explains it super clearly. You can't mess it up. So just be sure to look at your cylinder, match up the piston, and always measure it just to make sure you're going to be within spec. But like I said, Yamaha 4-stroke or 2-stroke, if you want to rebuild the top end and you want to stick to OEM components, easiest way to do it, get all the parts you need in one-stop shop. If you have questions or comments, we want to get those answered, so make sure leave those in the comment section below. To grab one for your bike, just click on the link in the description or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. These are all going to ship for free. Everything over $75 ships for free at Rocky Mountain. And as always, if you like spotlights like this and you want to stay up to date on these, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. You're going to be ready to rock and roll. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.